Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Realme OS is up to date and backing network settings. This avoids surprises. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data so changes apply immediately. Now open Settings, go to Wi-Fi and Network, and tap Private DNS. Choose the Private DNS Provider option to enter a hostname. I'm showing how you input a hostname and why Realme uses hostname validation rather than raw IPs. This keeps certificates and DNS over TLS working correctly. Next, type the provider hostname exactly, no trailing slashes or spaces, because Realme validates the TLS certificate against that name. Once you enter a trusted DoT hostname like DNS. Example, tap Save. The system will attempt a TLS handshake. If validation succeeds, Private DNS switches on. If it fails, Realme often shows a clear error. Make sure to retry with a verified hostname or switch to automatic temporarily to confirm network connectivity before proceeding. Finally, verify the configuration by loading sites or running a DNS leak test app. You should see queries routed to your chosen provider. If validation fails, check 3 common causes: device date/time wrong, typo in the hostname, or an active VPN/app blocking DoT. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode or reboot to clear cached network state, then re-enter the hostname. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure system time is accurate. TLS validation for DoT will fail with incorrect time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.